As the Spirit of God is moving around the world, we're ramping up our ministry for greater impact in the upcoming spring season. So get ready for Spring Ministry Mania. Here's what you can expect at the Restoration Place during this time. Ladies, join the Restoration Women for the Sisterhood Rally Brunch on Saturday, March 25th at the beautiful Drift Restaurant overlooking Lake Wylie. The cost is just $40 per woman, and the event will begin at 11 a.m. for a morning of connection, encouragement, and a word from Apostle Jeanette Howard. You're encouraged to invite your girlfriends and the women in your families ages 18 and up to join you for this inspirational and powerful event. All students and young adults, get ready now for Block Night. The Block Ministry will be gathering at the Restoration Place on Saturday, March 25th at 5:30 p.m. Restoration Night of Worship is a powerful time for all of us to come together and worship the Lord as a church family. The next night of worship experience will be at the Restoration Place on Wednesday, March 29th at 7 p.m. Apostles Dexter and Jeanette Howard invite all married and engaged couples to join them for Couples Night Out at the Restoration Place. This will take place on March 31st at 7 p.m. and will cost just $40 per couple. Childcare will also be provided. Join us on April 9th at 10:30 a.m. for Easter Sunday at the Restoration Place. It's sure to be a dynamic and powerful worship experience. For the men, be sure to come out for the Foxhole Lunch hosted by the Restoration Men on Saturday, April 22nd. This will be held at Dilworth Neighborhood Grill at 11 a.m. Men, you don't want to miss this awesome time of fellowship. Let's believe God together for a powerful season of salvations, deliverances, and healings. In order to register for any of these events, please visit therestorationplace.org or scan the QR code on your screen.